Hello, my name's Bridget O'Donnell. I'm here to share with you about compassionate communication. I've been training in this for probably about 11 years now, and I'd really like to share it with you. For me, compassionate communication is all about connecting with our feelings and our needs and being able to share that with others and create more connection. So I teach empathy skills, and I teach people how to connect with themselves and be able to express themselves fully and honestly with others, particularly when it's a difficult conversation to have, and to deal with conflict in a way that brings connection. Also developing a vocabulary of feelings and a vocabulary of needs, which often we're not very au fait with. It's sort of not that common to go around telling people how you feel and what you need. So what I find is when I do that, it brings me more connection and more understanding for both myself and for other people. And so that's what I'm bringing. Would love you to come along to my workshop, which is coming up at the end of July. 2 consecutive Sundays, the 22nd and the 29th of July here at Aldinga at Flurio Yoga. Lovely space down here, and there's great cafes just across the road, so we can avail ourselves of good coffee and food to keep us nourished during the workshop. I'd love to see you there. So, but if you want to find out more, I'll be posting some more videos about what I do and explaining a bit more about nonviolent communication. So yeah, if you like my video, press like, and if you want to contact me, relaxrelaterestore@gmail.com or my Facebook page. I'd love to hear from you and hear any questions you might have. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye.